So brinjal plants are something that are pretty easy to grow. It should not be very cold. You have to handle some amount of pests, give them good nutrition, give them water, and you can see, for example, if you see this plant here, so it's starting, I mean there are more flowering happening. Then if you see here, there's, if you look at these, lot of buds, these will eventually turn into more brinjal, quite a few of them actually. This flower, hopefully this will get converted, this will get converted. So this is one section. I have other sections here. This one is also brinjal, and there are other things as well along with this. I mean this area is full of greenery. I have some here, some here, some more here. You can see these flowers, and this one as well. They mix with other plants as well. So here, then this big brinjal plant, this is also doing pretty well. It gives me pretty good size brinjal. Then where else? Here, for example, I have some more. I can keep on going and showing you some more, and you get different brinjal varieties. So for example, if I take you back to this one, these ones give me big round ones, and there are the other ones. For example, if I come here, so this one has unfortunately spoiled. If it's turned yellow, it was originally green, but it's turned yellow, that means it's not ripe. Probably I'll leave this here for some seed collection, but otherwise and these ones are purple, long purple. Okay, now where is all this leading to? Let me show you some of my collection. This is what I've collected in the last 3 days from here. Different ones. Some of them are big size. Some of them I have not ever had this big size. For example, I don't believe I have ever got a brinjal at home this big. Other people must have. I see it on YouTube and other places, but I have never got such big size. What is the secret? It's very hard for me to say. I spray it regularly with nutrition. I try to handle pests through neem and other sprays. I give it antifungal, basically mix antifungal powder with water and put it at the roots in the soil. And of course I am also giving it a lot of homegrown compost. So what do I do over here? How do I do that? I have these containers in which it's full of half done compost. Put it in the pot like this, and when it has holes at the bottom, and when you're watering, water from inside this, you get leachate out of here. That leachate works wonders on the plants. This is my conclusion. I mean, since I do multiple things, there's no easy way of saying okay, it happened because of this or that, but this is probably one of the main reasons why I'm getting such good brinjal. And of course the weather is perfect for this. So for example, if I look at this plant, it's grown pretty big. It's in a good size container. Must be what, a 12-inch, 14-inch grow bag, and it's of course a lot of the soil is now very rich, very organic, what with mulch and homegrown compost and everything. It's getting to be good. When this starts flowering, again right now it's a bit dormant. Oh yes, I can see buds here, but when this starts flowering, I'm pretty sure I'm going to get a good amount from this. Okay, so that was it for this video. Thank you very much. I wanted to show those brinjal before they go out for getting cooked or distribution to some friends. Thank you. If you like this video, please share this video, like this video, and subscribe to my channel. That helps a lot with the algorithm. Thank you.